Hey everyone, welcome to Code Harmony. Today we are going to solve LeetCode ID 3330. Find the original typed string 1. This question is based on the concept of string and it's an easy question. Just like the problem is given in the form of a story. So you have to just understand the story. And this question asked in Lois a couple of times in the last 6 months. Let's have a look on the problem statement. Firstly, understand the story. What is the story? Alice is attempting to type a specific string on her computer. Alice is someone who is typing a string on her computer. However, she tends to be clumsy and may press a key for too long, resulting in a character being typed multiple times. So Alice is typing a string on her computer, but when she is typing, let's say a key, let's say with the character A, she is typing it, she holded the key for a very long time, which resulted as a couple of occurrences of this character in the final string. So this is the first part of the story. Although Alice tried to be focused on her typing, but she is trying to do her best, that she is not going to make a mistake. But she is aware that she may still have done this at most once. Okay, Alice is attempting to type a string on her computer, but she is clumsy and she might hold a key for a very long time. It means the key got pressed multiple times, that character get entered multiple times. But she is trying her best. She is trying to focus on her typing, but she is still taking the guarantee that okay, she has given her best, but still at most one time she has done the mistake. So she has done the mistake at most one time. It means she has not done the mistake, or she has done the mistake only one time. And what is that mistake? Mistake is whatever character she is typing that can be correctly typed. If she wanted to type it for 2 times, correctly typed, or maybe typed extra times. So these are the extra times. This is a story, and you are given a string word which represent the final output displayed on the Alice screen. So this string that she wanted to type is word, and return the total number of possible original strings. Total number of possible original strings that Alice wanted to get is something we need to return. And they are saying the word length will go till 100 and word width consists of only lowercase English letters. Okay, so here this string is the word, and in this word she is typing. She pressed A and A got typed. She pressed B, B got typed. She pressed B again, B got typed. But there might be possibility that she wanted to press B one time, but it got multiple times because of the mistake. So this portion can be the mistake. Or she typed C, she typed C, she typed C. But there might be the possibility that she wanted to type C one time, or she wanted to type C 2 times. She wanted to type C 3 times. So C can also be the part of mistake. B can also be the part of mistake, but she has already told us that she is going to do the mistake only one time, not more than one time. So either B is contributing to the mistake or C is contributing to the mistake. Let me give you a brief of this problem statement again. She accidentally pressed a key for too long. So one character gets repeated multiple times. So this is one case, and she also taking guarantee that this mistake can happen at most once, not more than once. So here in this case, she wanted to type A, she typed A. She wanted to type B, she typed B. She wanted to type B, C, C, C. This is the case when she has not done any mistake. And this is one contribution to this possible string. And this is one possible original string. Okay, this is one possible original string. And what about the other possible original strings? Let's say at the time of pressing B, she made a mistake, and then see, when she is typing a character, then definitely she wants to type a character at least one time. She is going to type the character. So there might be the possibility that this BB, either she wanted to type B, either she wanted to type BB. So either that possible original string B should be there, or BB should be there. The two possibilities are there. So here, if B is contributing two possibilities, then she is not going to do any other mistake. So whenever there is a repeated character, so every single repeated character, there is one possibility added. And why this two? See, one possibility is already captured, that original one, and in the original one, 2 times B already there. So there is a second possibility that is not captured, and that is the one with every single repeated value. Okay, let me come to this example again. A, B, B. When I'm coming to A, okay, this is fine. When I'm coming to B, this is also fine. When I'm coming to B, but this character is same as the previous one. If this character is same as the previous one, there might be the possibility that if this portion is a part of the mistake, then every single extra character is leading 1 to the answer. Why? Because let's say PB is the string. It means there is two possibility, B and BB. And how many extra possibilities are there? One possibility is definitely this current string. Extra possibilities are k minus 1. Let's say k time it is getting repeated. So k minus 1 is the extra possibilities. So this is one possibility. My answer is 1. And when I'm iterating, coming here, coming here, coming here, this is the extra one. So every item which is repeating k times. So k minus 1 extra possibilities I need to capture. It means extra item I need to capture. So this is extra. Just capture 1. Coming to C, okay. Coming to this C, same as the previous one. Capture extra 1. Same as the previous one. Capture extra 1. 4 possibilities are there. Okay, and what are those possibilities? A, B, C, C, C. A, B, C, C, C. And A, B, B, C. A, B, B, C, C. A, B, B, C, C, C. This is the actual one. And these are the other possibilities. Note this one. This is already the same as this below one. So these are the extra possibilities. Extra possibilities are 3 and this is the actual one. So the actual one plus extra possibilities. So here we got the answer. That current string is one possibility. So I am going to initialize my answer is equal to 1. Then I will be iterating over, starting with 1 and going I less than n. Character at I is equal to character at I minus 1. If this is the case, if I am using I minus 1, that's why I started the loop from 1. So if this is the case, it means this is an contribution to extra possibility. Contributing to 1 plus equal to 1. So answer is 1 initially, and for every single loop I am appending 1, and in the end return answer. Order of n time solution and order of 1 space. Linear space constant time. So what you have to understand is this portion. This is something that is very important for you to understand. Understanding the problem statement is the only important part in this problem. Otherwise, the approach is traversal on the string. And what about the, let's say this is the string. This is one possibility. And when I'm moving on this string, starting from index 1, this is same as the previous one. Okay, this is going to add one extra possibility. This is also the same as the previous one. This is also going to add 1 to the possibility. So 3 options are there. Those should be A, triple A and double A. Got it? So this is our answer. Now if you still have any confusion, then try to repeat the portion where I have explained the problem statement again. And this is the code. This is the complete code. Answer equal to 1, going from 1 to n minus 1. If current character is same as the previous one, then increment by 1 and got the answer. I hope you understood the problem statement. I will do whatever I mentioned in the description, explanation. Integer answer is equal to 1. Current possibility for every repeated character for I equal to 1, I less than word dot length I plus plus. If word dot character at current index is equal to word dot character at I minus 1 previous index, if those are same, it means then it is going to contribute to the answer again, and in the end return the answer. And now I'm submitting the problem statement. It got submitted successfully. Okay, this was the code. Do let me know in case you have any doubt. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.